Bear Snores On by Kiva Wilson, illustrated by Jane Catman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-pat tiptoes, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff-cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark." So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two eyes, he's glowing. Sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Hello, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they popped white corn, and they blew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffles was at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I brought honey nuts," Badger says, as with a grin. "Let's divvy them up. Crash down and dig in." And they nibbled and they munched, with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunneled up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven fluttered in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wren, and everyone crowded in the great bear's den. They they tweeted and they chattered. They chat and they chittered, but the bear snores on. In the in a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse, who sees the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blew and he sneezed, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear growls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You snuck in my lair and you all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I had None. And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a clear, on a, on a cup of clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. The end.